All right, guys. Welcome to the online training section. Yes. It's been a very beautiful journey we've been on, and yes, don't forget the vision that at the end of the course, guys, you will be one of the best in the industry because I'm going to feed you with raw experience, guys. Raw experience, okay? Yes. So without further delay, we have topic for today that says how to make your own test lights for troubleshooting electrical faults, guys. Because there are some faults in the vehicle system that requires you use a test light. All right, okay. Tests such as the injector pulse, you need a test light to confirm the flashing, the opening, the flickering of that very circuit. Okay, so tests such as the starting system to confirm the load side of the relay, we need a test light, guys. All right. Then the ignition coil, the circuit, the primary circuit, we also need a test light. All right. So apart from the multimeter, all right, we need test light for to conduct some specific tests. All right. So we are not buying test light, we are making our own. Okay, that is the beauty, right? So you, in this section, you learn how to make your own test light using basic material, guys. Okay. One objective of this very course is to expose you how to use basic tools to solve complex electrical problems. All right. So without further delay, we are going to look at the items required to make your own test light. All right. And then number one, we say 12 volt bulb of any choice. The bulb has to be 12 volts because in the electrical system, the what is required, the test required, okay, is 12 volts. All right. Most of the tests we are going to use the test light for is 12 volt energy potential, guys. All right. So 12-volt bulb of any size, okay, we are going to using this size, but it can be bigger or it can be smaller, but all we need is a bulb. All right. So this is a 12-volt bulb. Okay, you can get a turn signal bulb or the bulbs in the instrument cluster. You can also use it, guys. Okay. So number two, we are going to be needing bulb connector, guys. This is what I mean by a bulb connector: the place where the bulb is inserted, guys. All right. This is the connector. This is where we are going to insert the bulb. Okay, look at it, just like this. All right. So you need something like this, okay, that is going to the connector, right? You just need something like this. Okay, very important. So if you remove the bulb, it remains just the connector. All right, guys. And this one you can also remove like this. You can see. Okay, so these are the items we are going to be needing. And then number three, any piece of electrical conductible material, guys. You can use any material, okay, so long you can have a sizable, shape that you will use to carry out tests. So but in my own case, I'm using a multimeter test lead as a conductible material, guys. Okay, you can use something like this that is a metal. Okay, then you grind it with a grinding stone. All right, so it must not be a multimeter test lead, so long the material can conduct electricity. All right. Yes. So number four items is battery terminal clamp. Number four items, battery terminal clamp, guys. It's not compulsory, it's optional, but it just gives you leverage on where to hook up your test lead. Okay, you can see it's just a clamp to hook up on the battery, guys. Do you understand? All right, so this is how it's going to be on our battery. All right, guys. So it's not optional, but if you have, it's an advantage. All right. So the last one is insulation tape. Yes, this is insulation tape. Okay, we are going to insulate where we will make joints, wire joints. All right. Yes. Okay. So very important. Yes. Before I forgot, we are also going to need, Yes, wire. Yes, we are going to need wire. Okay, so we are going to need piece of wire like this to make joints, okay, from the bulb, and make connections. All right, so while we watch the practical, we are going to start immediately. So guys, please pay attention. So guys, you bring the connector, the bulb connector. All right, when you bring it, you insert this. All right, you hear the snap click, you insert it. You insert your bulb, guys, very easy. You insert your bulb, put it inside, right? Okay, yes, the bulb has entered. Then we are going to add one end of the wire to this, guys. We are going to add one end of the wire, okay, to one end of the bulb connector. All right, please don't forget. Okay, so we are just going to join. All right, just going to join. That's it. After the join, we are going to tape to avoid it touching any unwanted polarity, guys. Okay, we are going to tape it, guys. Yes. So that's it. All right. Okay, so guys, you join one end of the connector wire, you join it to this conductible material. Okay, so you can see it's remaining one end, guys. All right, we have two polarity here, the plus and the minus. That is the positive and the negative. Okay, so we have connected one polarity, let's assume it to be positive, and this other polarity will join it to the wire. Okay, this very wire. All right, so we'll join. Very easy, guys, very easy. All right, then we're going to insulate our joint. We're going to insulate so that the joints will not be exposed, and so that it will not touch any unwanted pathway of electricity. Very important. All right, so guys, you can see the other end of the wire is joined. Okay, so this very wire now I'm going to connect to the clamp. Okay guys, can you see it very careful? Can you see it? All right, can you see it? Is it clear now? All right, so you join one end to the in my own case is a multimeter test lead. You can use any conductor material, guys, and then one end to this wire. All right, then this other end is going to a clamp. Okay, the clamp we talked about, which is this. All right, so I'm just going to join it here, guys. All right, so it's pretty easy, guys, very easy. So you just join so that it becomes very firm, guys, very firm. Yes, then we tape it. All right, all right. Okay guys, you can see. Then this end of the wire, we just have to make it one piece. Okay, so we just fold it like this, so it becomes one piece. All right, fold everything to be one piece, guys. Okay, then you use your tape and you join. You tape it, guys, just tape so that everything becomes one piece. Okay, good, good, good. Yes, it's not attractive, but the basic thing is for the test light to do the job you ask it to do. Okay, okay, guys, that is it. So it becomes one piece like this. Okay, so very, very simple. You put one end. Now we want to test it. You put one end is on the minus, then we want to test it on the plus to see if our test light relay. Guys, can we see it? All right, can we see it? Here we have a test light, guys. All right, can you see it? So let's change the polarity, put it on plus, and then test it on minus. All right, guys, can you see it? This is our test light. Very easy and simple, guys. With this, we can use it to troubleshoot any 12-volt system on any automobile system, guys. All right, very easy, very simple. Look at it, basic test light. All right, guys. So yes, now we have our test light. We are going to move on to the next section where we can use the test light for more practical sections, guys. All right, guys. See you guys in the next section. Thank you.